Okay guys, I'm just here to tell you guys this will happen on a different video. It will mostly be at nighttime. Hopefully, because I want to hook some of these to a firework. Yeah, but I think we're either gonna do one of the big ones or these. Yeah, so yeah. And my mom dropped her phone in water, so she has to leave that in ice. Push it down. Okay, so let's get that off. And wait a sec. So you guys, maybe you've seen it out the window, but I think a wasp just flew straight at my eye. There's Gibson. But you may have not known, but we got a pool. We have got a pool. Yep, Gibson and his little happy body. So, yeah, we have some, I think we have some fireworks. The garage is locked. I think we have some fireworks in the garage. So, we'll light their bomb, basically. I'm gonna go see if, there's our water heater. But I think, yep, we do. These are bombs. Oh, buddy. We got these. Actually, we have tiny ones. And then we also have the others. We have loads. I'm gonna get you guys up there so you can see. See, we have loads of them. So we might be blowing some of those up. And yeah, that's what we might be doing. So yeah. So I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.